Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Jamshid Khan, teacher GMS Nature, Zone Tangdar. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic that's called as land resource. Before projecting the topic, first we must have to follow the advisory. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. The land resource is concerned. Land resource is a prime resource, or we can say that it's a finite magnitude resource. We have to concentrate on two things: land as a resource and land use pattern. As per land resource is concerned, our fauna, our flowers, our biotic resource, our abiotic resource, our mineral resource are found on lands. Most of the human activities are carried upon lands. Rather, we can say that it's a multi-purpose resource. Here, but due to explosion of population, the resource of land has been day by day going to shrinking due to the expansion of the explosion of population. I have quoted here example of Malthus theory of population. He was one of the known famous researcher. He said that population grow at in arithmetic progressions, while resource grow at geometrical progressions. What does it mean? Now we can give here a suitable example of population as well as resource. Malthus say that population grow at arithmetic progression while resource grow at a geometrical progression. If we multiply 4 into 5, the answer will be 20. As far as resource is concerned, if same digit 4 plus 5, we will find here 9. Here we multiply 4 into 5 is equal to 20, but in resource is concerned, we have add here 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So I think you can easily got through this statement of Malthus. But as per the total geographical area of landmass is concerned, it is about 3.28 million square kilometer. Out of that 3.28 millions, some of the area occupied by mountains, some of the area occupied by glaciers, some of the area occupied by plains, some of the area occupied by plateau, so on so on. As per another graph, it reveals that this is plain, 43% of the total geographical area are present in plains. Here are mountains. 30% of the total geographical area found in a mountains lands. Whereas This is called plateau. 27% of the total geographical area are present in plateau. When plateau is concerned, plateau is top table-like landform are called as plateau. Even though some of the population we can find also in here, where slope is to some extent gentle. We use here quantitative techniques for the land use pattern of India. You can see here, for forest area is concerned, 22.78% forest of the total land are occupied by forest. हम कह सकते हैं 22.78% ये भी कुछ कम है, क्योंकि नेशनल फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी के मुताबिक अभी एक कंट्री का 33% टोटल एरिया होना चाहिए फॉरेस्ट का, ताकि उसका इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस बराबर हो सके. उसके बाद 8.6% बैरन लैंड जिसको हम बंजर जमीन बोलते हैं, जिसके ऊपर रोड्स, बिल्डिंग्स, अर्बन सेंटर, रेलवे वगैरह बनाए जाते हैं. परमानेंट पास्चर एंड ग्रेजिंग लैंड 3.28%. इसमें हमारे जो सीजनल ट्रांसहिमेंस किया जाता है, अपने माल मवेशी लेके कुछ गुज्जर बकरवाल चले जाते हैं, इस एरिया को सिर्फ 3.28% इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. एरिया अंडर मेसिलेनियस ट्री क्रॉप्स 1.1%. एरिया अंडर मेसिलेनियस ट्री क्रॉप वो होता है जैसे हाँ आप बाहर निकलो रोड पे, कहीं भी कुछ दरख्त बहुत सारे उगे हुए हों, कोई उसके अंडर जो 1.1% एरिया आता है उसको मेसिलेनियस कहते हैं. वो दूसरी बात है, कुछ लोग कहते हैं नहीं ये मेरा है, ये मैंने लगाया. उसके बाद फॉलो लैंड, कल्टिवेटेड वेस्ट लैंड जो 5 साल से ज़्यादा तक जिसमें कोई काश्त न की जाए 4.17%. उसके बाद करंट फॉलो लैंड्स जो 1 साल से कम उसकी काश्त की जाती है 4.6%. अदर देन करंट फॉलो लैंड्स 3.37%. इसमें 1 साल से लेकर 5 साल तक काश्त नहीं की जाती. उसके बाद नेट सून एरिया 46.26%, जिसमें और इस तरह की एग्रीकल्चर वगैरह एक्टिविटी होती है. अब हम लोकलाइज करते हैं, अपनी करना की एग्जांपल लेते हैं. वंस देयर वाज अ paddy fields, stretch of paddy field was completely empty, but after the catastrophic in devastated earthquake of 2005,